Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to another episode. So this is going to be the 16th episode, and finally we are starting our prototyping journey. So we will create the high fidelity mockups of screens. We'll start it with one dashboard screen today. So let me just recap. In the last one, we created the style guides and component libraries uh, for the basic what we need, and most of the other things we will create it here. And we will not create the components outright. We will set or test the design, the UI. Then based on that, we will create the layout. So this is the first wireframe, right? We have the portfolio, all the instruments, investment instruments, and all these things were there. Now this is the one screenshot from their CRED money UI, right? We will take the similar layout. I want it to look exactly like how CRED would do. So I have taken a few more screenshot as well from CRED's other applications, and we will take the inspiration from there. Okay. So without any delay, let's get started with this. So we have our tab bar or nav bar on the top. Sorry, what is it? What does it call? The status bar on the top, and this is the home navigation. So first we need this avatar, and then the label or the header here. Okay, this is what is the first one, or maybe the this one is also what we need. Let's type it as arrow. So we have the grid arrow. Let's see if it is big enough. Okay, and we will use the 500 maybe. Yeah, this is not the bigger one. I want this one. Okay, yeah, perfect. So for this one, we will take 30 as this padding, 30 as this padding, and for this one, 50 as per the CRED's guidelines. I mean, they use the left side margins as 30, then on the right side as 50. Okay, so we will also follow the same pattern here. So now we have 30, then let's take it as 24, and we will use the 8 pixel grid here as well. Then they have this icon as lock icon. Let's see if we have the lock icon here. Okay, we don't have. Let's remove it now. What we had here is we had a settings. Yeah, let's come here. Maybe drafts. Let's check if this has a settings as a button or icon. Settings. Okay, this is not we are using. Maybe from here we can find. Yeah, settings. Here is the settings panel. Let's copy this, put it here. Okay, and this is going to be 15, and this is going to be center line. Yeah, I think this is all fine. Okay, this looks good to me. We will change it. This is not the final design, so we will first create the layout first, then we will go for other things. Then what we have here is our, yeah, let's take this one for now. Let's copy it, go to our prototype. let's put it outright this. Let's come here just for the size purpose. Okay, this is the size of, yeah, this is perfect size. What is the size here? 60. Stroke has to be as per our block. Yeah, let's take this for now. Let's give it a size of maybe 48. Yeah, 48 sounds good. Then we have a text as, hey Simant Sekhar, here is your total portfolio, and make it as center aligned, and this is going to be our header copy, so this is what it is going to look. Okay. Yeah, this is, I think, too big. Let's give it, yeah, this looks good. But one more thing, I haven't seen that CRED has copied one layout for another usage. Okay, so maybe we can find out different way of showcasing this. If you see, they launched this one as a new one. They have similar layout but slightly different. So let's give it a bigger uppercase here. 32 I believe is fine. Then we have the badge here. We will give the badge. Hey Simant, here is a credit score, is what it is saying. So here is a total portfolio. So I would like to, okay, now, yeah, let's give it a different name. Hey Simant Sekhar, here is a portfolio. Can we use this one 12 or maybe 14? Then can we do this? Okay, Gilroy, maybe Gilroy medium or semi bold, but they have also made it as like this. Probably 12, and this has 10%. No, too big. 4. Oh, sorry. 4. Okay. 4 is also too big. Let's give it as 2. Okay. Then let's give the color of this maybe 100. Yeah. Hey Simon Sekhar. Then we have 16 pixel here. Give it a name. I think this is all fine. Give it 8 pixel, or 8 pixel is too big. Maybe 4 pixel is fine. Here is a total portfolio, and here we will provide our text here, which is this. use it as maybe this one. Yeah. And this one, let's give it the title of, let's say 20 pixel maybe. This is all fine. Correct. Yeah, this looks good. Put it in an auto layout, and we have a badge here. We will also give it a badge here as well, something similar to this. Okay, for now I will just copy a sorry, one circle here, put it like this, add a stroke, then the filler as like this. For now, let's give like this. If you have any queries, please do let me know in the comment. Then we have the portfolio like this. Okay, so this is 80, then we have 18 pixel, which is also fine. Let's put it in the same auto layout. Yeah, so our first glance is now ready, and it is also looking like what CRED would have done. Now coming to our second one, which is these informations, right? 4.2 this month, 33,000. Okay, now let's come to this, or maybe this, and we will use the other title now for this use. Okay, so body copy of this. Let's make it outside for now. I want to use Gilroy medium. See, all our usage, yeah, Gilroy medium is, I feel, is good one here. So 42%, let's sync it here. What we want to say here is, first, what is the, this month is the increase. Should we provide this data? Yes, that's, I believe, is a good data to provide. Let's say 13,000 increase this year, sorry, this month, plus, and give a color of, let's give it this green. Does it look good? 13 pixel, 12 pixel. I think here we have to use Gilroy bold. Yeah, 12 Gilroy bold is what we can give. Then we have the percentage this month. This month, and give this as a color of this. Okay, this doesn't look that good. Let me change it. Okay, let's see how other people are doing it. Do we have IND monies? IND money. Okay, where is it? Let me check it here. Okay, so what they have done here is they have changed the this layout. Okay, come to prototype. Okay, instead of this as this month 13, this month. Hmm, what we have here is this month change 13,000 plus 2%, correct? Yeah. So this month change, give it as, let's say, 8 9%, or maybe 11.2%. Okay, give it an auto layout like this. Either we can have it like this, or we can have it like this. This color I want to change it like the black 200, and I don't want to give this black, I want to give it Gilroy medium maybe. This is becoming too heavy, so semi bold looks good. Maybe this base color also we can change. Okay, okay, this looks better. Last synced today, this month, and this is going to be last synced, and this is going to be our Gilroy regular, then Gilroy 10. Okay, let's check it here now. Okay, let's open a tab here on the top. Let's give it a as dashboard. Okay, so come here, name it as dashboard. So this is how it is looking. This month change, last thing is not visible at all. So let's increase the maybe opacity a little bit up, and this is too less, maybe 11 is fine. Last thing today evening. Do we have, one second, let me verify something on CRED. This also we don't need a semi board. We can use the medium maybe. Gilroy medium is fine. Yeah, what do you think? I think this is fine. This we can take it as this color and make it a little bigger. All this, let's put it in the same auto layout. But here there are few things that is not there. This, let's say 20, let's give, and this as 4 pixels. No, too big. This one changed last sent. I think this is all good. Let's move on to the next one, which is this section. Okay, we have a card section here as well. Let's go to our component. Let's see how our card is structured. Okay, it doesn't have any card here. Let's come to this place again. We will see how these cards are managed here, or maybe some of the screenshot we can check how these cards are played. Okay, prototype. I want to make something like this card. Okay, let's drag it here, put it here. Okay, not exactly like this card. This is going to be a stacked card like this. Let me create one at least. What is your portfolio is growing but exposed to improve your score. Let's give it a title here and give it as like this. No, too big. Maybe this is all good. Give it a fill, give it a stroke. Boost your score by 18%. Let's give it as 12 and 12. Okay. Now give it as a like this. Let's have a button here. Let's see how they are doing it a button. They don't have any button as such. But we will give your portfolio ever improve my portfolio maybe. So my style guide is not working because all these are uh, free version, so that's why it is not coming as expected in my one. Come to improve my portfolio, probably let's give it a color of this. No, this is looking really bad. This is too bad. Can we give this color? Yeah, maybe this color looks good here. Mm, hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, improve your score here. Okay, let's give one. Your portfolio is growing, so we can use some of the icons here. Come to the iconify, grow this. Maybe you can use this for now. This is not the final design. I will make some changes here later, but just to try out different layouts before finalizing anything, I am doing it like this. Yeah, so let's increase the size a bit and make this as fill content, as fill content. Okay, improve my portfolio. Okay, let's keep it for now. Some cards like this I want to give. Let's give it a fill here. And give a little bit, add a little bit of personality to it. Maybe we will make it a gradient here, then make this as white like this. Then this color also, let's make it as a gradient here. What do you think? This looks better, I believe. And make this as this color. Does it look something like grid for now? No, it doesn't. We will fix it. Let's create the overall layout first, then we will fix the styling. Okay, let's increase the size of it, maybe a little bigger. Give it 8. I think 12 is fine. Maybe this can be 0.5. Very thin layer is what I expect here. Base color, maybe this base color also, let's give it, yeah, something like this. I think is much more minimalistic. Then this color we can provide a little bit of greenness. Can be, no, this is too bad. No. Okay, let's keep it for now. So I want to make it look like a card here. So I want to keep it stacked one after another. So this is what. No. Ah, yeah, this is fine, I believe. For now, let's keep it like this. Any arrow we have or chevron, this guy has provided one chevron, we can use it. Let's use it for now. Use this color maybe and make it as 90-degree. Use it here. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I think this is good enough for our first. I want to make the size of it a little smaller. Yeah, probably this one is fine. This is fine. Let's come to the stocks section here. Let's bring out all those icons that we created. Sorry, we downloaded. Come to this place. What we have here is, let's keep it here. First is the stocks. For stocks, I want to take it as this one. The size of it, let's take 44. Keep the label as stocks. And if you notice here, all these labels or everything, they have kept it as the bigger, I mean this font, and they have used a regular or maybe medium font. This is too big. Okay, let's give it maybe 2 pixel. No, it's too big. 0.5. No, say 1. Yeah, 1 seems good. Don't worry, this is not final. We are going to change, I think, a lot of things we have to change. Stocks. Why this font doesn't seem like a Gilroy at all? This looks like more of some other like Inter or Roboto like this. Let's take it as Inter maybe, and make it 0 and make it medium or maybe semi bold. Yeah, this looks more of this one. Let's compare it here. CRED fonts. What fonts CRED use in Neopop is what I want to see. Overpass, okay, and overpass mono. Okay, this is, yeah, that's why this issue is happening. This is something overpass mono. Do we have overpass mono? Perfect. Okay, so we have overpass mono. Stock market. Stocks. Okay, let's give it for now. Let's have the stocks. 3 stocks. Is it looking good here? I think a little bigger would help. Currently, let's say 56. 56 is fine for all this. Let's say 12 is fine. Stocks, and then we have mutual funds, and then we have crypto. Yeah, these 3 is what we are going to use. This is going to be hug, and for all this is also going to be hug, and this is going to be middle aligned, and the size of this is going to be much farther. Yeah, do you think this makes sense? Does it look good? Let's change this icons now. For mutual funds, let's take this and make it as 56. 56. For crypto, let's take this and make it as 56. Now duplicate it put it here, and this is going to be our fixed deposit. Fixed deposits, and this is going to be our FD icon as 56. Then we have gold. Digital gold, I want to specify it because we are not tracking any manual thing. Then we have NPS. Okay, so this is what is our first batch, and we will provide a view show all account or show all as one. Okay, so this is what, okay, this is not, I have forgot, 56. Let's ungroup it. Let's group it like this. Does it look good? The icons, first of all, is too big. Then the names are, I feel, is fine, but can improve. The icons definitely too big. Let's change all the icons to 44. Maybe a little lesser. Can we try 36 or 32? If you see the language, it is very minimalistic and small. So 24, can we check? No, it is too small. 32 looks good. 32 looks good to me. Okay, now coming to our alignment here. Let's align it with this. Fixed deposits is not coming as good as this one. Okay, I think this is good. Let's take the biggest one here. I think this is the biggest one with 60. Let's select everything and give it 60. Now all our things are in 60. Okay, 3 by 3 is what I have given, and this size I want to squeeze it a little bit. Before I squeeze it that, there is a price mentioned now. Okay, the price will be, okay, we have to maintain the consistency. It is becoming unaligned, so let's name it as Indian stocks. Indian stocks. Then cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies. Okay, this becomes bigger. Let's take it NPS, national NPS investment. Let's give it now. Let's see later what changes we can make. NPS. NPS and EPF, should we give it in the same one? I think we can club it together because this is similar but not the same. Similar. I think we can make it in the same panel, or we can keep it NPS, National Pension Scheme, NPS investments. Okay, let's give it now. Digital gold is fine. All our these things are in one line. Does it look good? Yeah, this makes sense. This color are not coming out well. Can we do an exposure or something like this? Let's give the pricing here. This, this. Duplicate it, copy it. This. Multi-select, type it, put it like this. Change the size or headings to, again, what is that? Okay, sorry. Overpass mono. Overpass mono. And then this color has to be this, and this as 0. Then this is 18. Yeah, this is fine. Let's give everything as hug. Okay, 5. Mhm. It is not looking as I expected. Okay, should we give a little bit of highlight to this? Then maybe this one also we can give us minus 0.5. Yeah, probably this is good. Hmm. We can take the IND money's path here. Instead of giving all the information here, we can limit the clutter here. Now, is this information a lot? No, right? So we can limit these information from this place just to make it a little less clutter. Hmm. We'll come back to this icons later. I thought this would look good, but I think we have to take some icons like, let's go to free pick, get some icons like investment icons. Let's use it as advanced icons. Interface. Okay. Static, style, hand drawn, outline, fill, lineal color. What is it? No, not this one. Investment icon. Okay. The icons. Okay, let's check from iconograph iconify. Let's name it as stock market. Mm-hmm. Okay. How we can make our own stock market thing here is mutual fund. Okay. Not this one. Colorful. I want a little bit of color to this. This is good. Let's check from here. Grow. Nothing. Chart. No. Trading. Crypto. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Let's try this. Yeah, I want something like this with my color. Probably something like this. Yeah, this type of color what I want, but not this color. Okay, this is paired icon. So should we use this? Can we use this? Let's take it. Let's use it for now. Add a little bit of personality to it. Now it is looking very, very, I don't know how to say it. Okay. If I keep it as 32, then will it look good? or we should make it as flat icons. This Tera Mera I don't like. Let's check something flat. Or we can keep it for now. We will change the color somehow. Okay, let's download few other coins, few other things like this is something PNG. Let's download. Okay, then we have what else is there? One is gold. Bitcoin. Let's type as gold. Okay, I don't get to see the gold bar here. Probably we can take this. This dollar I don't want to give, but I don't get any other icons here. So icons, what happens, right? We have to create these icons mostly, and I don't want to spend that much of time currently to create these icons. All these icons we have to create it manually. Only then we will be able to get gold bar, gold. Gold is not there. If I use this icon, then again I have to use all the icons like this. That's the issue. Cryptocurrency. Then we have gold. Okay, let's take the same gold. Yeah, take the same gold. Gold. Okay, this is the only gold that I found. No, no other gold in the same format. Let's download it for now. Okay, go on luck. Maybe later. It is not letting me download now. Shit. Okay, let's leave it. I don't want to buy the premium just for this. Let's leave it for now. We will add these things later. So let's come here. Okay, move it to put it in one frame. What else? Okay. All right. Now coming back to this add asset or view more. Okay, so all accounts is what we have to go again. Let's bring this. So all account. Then we have the investment score. Let's give it the name here as my assets maybe 32. Again, this is coming as a little weird. If I keep it here, then the stocks will look really bad. So I don't want to give any name. Let's move on to the next one. Let's have this one 40, this as 30. This is not 30, right? This is not 30. We have to give it till 30. Okay, my assets. Then we have the bronze category. For badge, how I want here is I want to give something like this big. Okay, let's say I have out of 900 or 100 or 850, 800, I have something 764, that is gold. Okay, so for this, what I want here is I want the color to be something purple. Okay, this purple. Then with this purple we have some effects we can add as, oh, texture, noise, oh my god. Okay, these are some of the new textures has come. Okay, maybe noise we can add. No, I don't want the noise. I want the inner shadow. Drop shadow this big. Make it like this. The stroke we can have it maybe a little bigger. I also don't know what I am doing. Let me do Okay, this is too big. I want to make it look like it is a badge, right? The pin, what we had. Do you think this makes sense? No, I don't think so. Let's remove this one. Let's add an icon as diamond. Let's add this. Okay. No, it doesn't look good. Should we add some kind of... Okay, let me work on this one, not on live. Let me work on this one offline. Let me try and find few other things that may look good. Then I will come up and we will see. All these things I will fix it offline because this is going to take a lot of time to fix. This is not an easy... It's like, I have it in mind. This is hit and trial thing. What I am going to do, I am planning to do something like this, but in a different style guide or design language. So for today we have, so this far is, I believe, is good. Few other things we will move it to the next step. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, let me... Okay, so thank you for watching. So I will continue this one. I will experiment few other styles offline. Once I finalize something, then I will come and show you guys, and we will do it later. How I did it, I will show it in the next episode. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and let me know if you have any queries in the comment section. Bye bye then. See you in the next video. Thank you.